Well, that was short-lived. So mad at myself right now. I crashed it. My fault. Not paying attention. I hit a tree, came down, broke another arm on it. The positive, I know I can fix it. It wasn't fun to fix though. It wasn't fun to fix. Cool shot here, but you can't really get it because of the sun. Let's just put the camera down and get a little video out of here and let's go. I'm not really in a happy mood right now to mess with it. I don't know that we'll get a good shot there though. Do a little sound check here between the camera, my inside microphone, and my lapel microphone. So this is sound check. No microphones, just the camera. No microphones, just the camera on the Osmo Action 4. Alright. I can see the microphone is plugged in. I can tell there's a little line that's telling me microphone's plugged in. So this is now a sound check on the inside wired, we'll call it the wired microphone. Inside microphone, wired microphone test. Alright, testing 1, 2. Alright, and this is sound check on the lapel microphone. I have it pointing pretty straight at me right now. Let me move about now. It's not pointing straight at me right now. It's kind of pointing right over my head. And that's a sound check tip. Clear cut of this area too. It was just so beautiful in here. Now it's and it'll be beautiful again, I know, but right now it's just it's like a daggone war zone there. Alright. These I'm sure you're getting tired of seeing. I would assume. I don't get tired of them, but I would assume you do. Gotta find different angles. That's what I need to do. Maybe today I'll put it up in there. Maybe up in there. Alrighty, onward we go. Up into the sun here. Ooh, can you see anything? I can't see anything. There we go. This ain't a forest in here. Huh. Oh, it could be DNR, sorry. That DNR. I mean, people hunting, yeah, that would make more sense, wouldn't it? Don't really like that view. You can't really get the view of the water going down. So I'm not gonna do that one. I still have issues with the sun on how to place it. It'd probably be better to put it over there. But we're going that way and coming back, so I'm being lazy. Like I always tell y'all, bad YouTuber. Yeah, see, this is a terrible shot from here because all we get is a bunch of sun. Pretty nice, huh? Walk down here and see something. Maybe for next time. I don't know. I don't think you can get a good view back at it, can you? Be kind of cool. Shot from here. There's something been driving in here. That might be a cool shot. When the sun's in the right place. Yeah, that might be a cool shot when the sun's in the right place. There's the rock right here. It's just again the light, the try it. I wonder how that came out. It's funny, you take these videos, but you really don't know what it's really going to look like till you get to the computer and you check it out, you know. All right, we might go do this ice breaking over here. Little ice break. That mud stings. Phew. You smell it when you run over it. That's crazy. All right. Onward we go. That's 8 crossings. Pretty happy with that. I like fishing down there. I've never caught nothing in that little water right there. You would think I could, but I've never caught nothing there. All right, let's see what we get here. Little drone shot. Slip and slide, slip and slide. This is a deep one here, I think. Yeah. On to the next one here. That's number 9. That's number 10. Wahoo! Let's go home.